Game number 3 in a tied series at 1 apiece. Talk and text, tropang texters kakalabanin muli ang Rain or Shine Alaska Painters in this matchup of reload, revenge, and repeat. Over the hump na nga ba ang Rain or Shine finally getting a finals victory over TNT. Gabe Norwood, Jerry Cruz in the backcourt for Coach Yang Yao. Bounced out and Bo Belga. Di niya suot yung usual niya na parang may sleeve sa loob, no? Yung kanyang compression shirt. Norwood takes that three mula sa kaliwa. Trescan hangin sa atin ang PLD. Here's Castro. Wayne Chisholm nakabantay sa kanya. Wanna share on the drive. Finds a way. All the way to the hoop for the first two. Sama na paborito niyong PBO at Disney with Signal. Mura na. May HD pa. Jericho Proof. The rookie creating space. Jumper bounces in. And enough confidence that...
Parang may itak eh.
Napigilin to si Bo Belga. He's running that way. Tapos, you know, he gets...
Been contested, and as a result, with almost 4 minutes gone by, 3 puntos pa lang ang talking
Oh,
text.
nice.
Ayun na nga, nag-aantay si Jefferson kanina pa on that cut. He never went out again.
Itong si Ivan Johnson, pero isa lamang ang naipasok niya sa kanyang dalawang tira.
That's right, so he's 50% from the line. Quick pass inside. Wayne Chisholm, tinaman naman yung hook up. Belga to Wayne.
At proportional to the way that they will end up in today's game versus the last of Painters.
Well, so far, they have not been making the stops on the defensive end. But Jason Cox,
May injury siya nung first half ng game number 2. Sabi niya, medyo masakit.
but still is still exploded with 20 points and crucial baskets and that, especially in the fourth quarter. Wayne Chisholm made space for him to take his shots.
Deceptively quick itong si Paul Lee, especially in the half court. Ito
Nice.
si Ivan Johnson, diretso sa basket para sa dalawa.
When rotate at makaslide with Ivan Johnson, yun ang ginagawang point of attack ni Johnson, yung quickness niya against Big Boy Belga.
Yung cut angle na sinasabi mo, Chisholm goes.
Pasok na siya ng maaga ni Coach Jong with Chico.
See if he can contribute after sitting out one ball game. Castro 3. Pasok pa rin. Di nawawala ang 3-point touch. It's not a fluke. It's something he's worked on and he's burying them regularly now.
This is a difficult generation to play against this elite point guards. But Chisholm on the return play, the swagger after the conversion from the 3. Ilang puntos na ba si Wayne Chisholm? 9 na.
Eh, sabi ni Castro, 3 lang ba? Trying to close the gap. Talk and text. 8 kanilang hinahabol. Larry Bonacier, he's been playing very well para sa kanila in this conference. Ivan Johnson, ayan ang pambawi. 3 mula kay I.
0 out of 3 from the 3-point area, and now he was able to make his first 3-pointer here in the first quarter.
Wayne Chisholm, mabilis naman sumagot. Pag-ikot, turnaround jump to introduce themselves to these rookies.
Oo naman, babakbakan kanyang mga yan.
4-second differential. Ang layo ng tira ni
Wow!
Paul Lee. Didn't make a difference. That's a 3 from the...
Adjectives para kay The Blur. Eh paano naman ang angas ng Tondo? Mabagsik.
Nevertheless, gusto sana sumagot. No-go. Offensive board from Ivan Johnson. Basket may kasama pang foul doon. Narinig natin nung timeout in between quarters. Assistant coach Tab Baldwin telling his guys to make Paul Lee a passer. Right. Partial block mula rin kay Raymond Almazan.
Parang NCAA ah.
Well, they used to be teammates. Sa practice nila ginagawa yun. Chris Chu, siya naman! Titira mula agad sa Rainbow County. With that confidence, nakikita natin ngayon umiiral dito sa ating first half. Paul Lee on the drive, and there you go again. Yung sinasabi natin, ability to break down the defense.
Animal, Paul Lee does a good job using the pick and rolls, can put the ball down, kaya mas mahihirapan si Jason Aban dito.
And look at that! Trail job na ginawa ni J.R. Pinya. Made them pay. Offensive rebound for the Red Shirts. Wayne Chisholm, short jumper para sa kanya. Pasok na naman yan. Taking that shot in rim.
Kakataon naman, ito namang si, ayan, tutulak ng bahagya, tutulakin naman siya ni JR.
Hindi arte yun. Finally, Jason Castro stopped.
Mula sa 3, doesn't find its mark. Johnson, offensive rebound. Susugod patungong rim. Niluwa pa yan. One more time for Ivan.
It's all about mental toughness eventually. Just to try and convince yourself that kung pagod ka na, kaya mo pa. Kung masakit na, kaya mo pa. At hindi ka ayaw, maski anong mangyari.
Step with the quickness of Ivan Johnson. Probably it's just Wayne Chisholm. He was there to challenge that shot. Nung nag-dribble, nakablanka pa at pagbalik.
Rebound all the way from the backcourt. Alaf nagmamadali. He'll have to flip it up and get a basket off the glass. Kevin Alas, that's not the first time. Yan ang analysis
Huli
ni Coach
ka.
Ryan doon.
Huli ka.
Ito, Gagamitin ang board. Wala nang top board. At tinapboard naman. Only for the first two. Dito sa
Painters shop ang kanilang kalamak.
Ivan Johnson tumempak para sa tres. Masyadong malakas yan sa rebound. Ronnie Dadio Campo na na-ignore off the glass. Kuha niya ang putback. Where's the rhythm on offense para sa white shirt? Swerte sila, they get the ball back. Johnson will attack.
There's the rhythm that you were looking for. Once again, attacking.
Talking Tex is not to allow them to run and score on fast breaks. That is why they've been giving off a lot of fouls here in this ball game.
No layup rule, ika nga. Rain or shine, but
Too strong, Bo Belga taps it away. Sino pupulot? Gabe Norwood. Andun si Chisholm ahead of the pack. And Chisholm go all the way. Yes, he does. Inantay ang chest dito si T.Y. Tang. Kaso dumobol team ang Bo Belga. Mahirapan ka niya. 3-on-1. Lari for the share. Helpless. 10-point lead. Rain or shine. The bounce goes over to Paul Lee. Balik kay Big Bo. Nakatres na yan kanina. Ayun, off the glass naman! Bang, bang, bang!
13 points na ito para sa kanila. 12 points para sa kanila. Tanging 6 pa lamang para sa Texters.
Nagdagawa pa ng tatlo. That's a 3 brought to us by PLDT Home Telpad. Upgrade to a PLDT Home Telpad plan now. What a way for Talk and Text. For Rain or Shine rather to start. Back to 16. Oops. Walang pito. At PLDTHome.com, it's a 17-point lead as it matches the biggest lead earlier in the first half. Ivan Johnson step back, one leg. Tang and the other guards habang wala si Paul Lee. As we see the tough shot brought to us by DeWalt Power Tools, guaranteed tough. Out from Ivan Johnson. And Castro will attack, get the basket. Let's see.
He had to be creative with that basket. There was a lot of contact and yet he was able to make that basket.
Over the head, pass back for the 3. Hanip naman sa setup.
26 big points already for Chisholm.
He had 30 points in the first game, 34 in game 2, and now with still 3 minutes remaining here in the third and a complete.
RDO sets from 3. Siya naman susubok. Pasok yan. They gave him all the space. He made. He steps back. Wanted to take a 3. Decided to pass it. Ball goes right back to him. Bagsak si Coach Yeng Kiao. For the second half. Short. Rebound. Sino kukuha? Jericho Cruz keeps it alive. Jeff Chan. Siya naman ang open. Mula riyan. Hindi natin alam kung ano ba talaga nangyari. Pero mukhang gusto pa niyang maglaro. Pass goes over to Almazan para sa taktak. Jeff Chan. Seconds remaining. Down to 5. Jeff Chan. He's got to go soon. Turnaround jumper. Fading away!
Wow!
Pumasok pa rin!
Napag-isipan niyo at gusto niyong manood ng PBA Game 3 of the finals ng live?
Lagi naman akong nanonood. I was a basketball player myself. I belong.
Basketball, no? What can you say about the game? What do you like about this game so far?
Well, napakaganda ng game. It's a bit rough, but I think nag-i-interest sa PBA.
Thank you very much, Congressman Ray O'Malley. Ayan, papisikal ng laro. Let's open the fourth quarter. Balik tayo sa panel.
Well, an exchange of pass service call. 370-6686. 18 ang lamang ng Rain or Shine. Gusto bang dagdagan ni Jeff Chan? Hindi pala. Si Raymond ang basa ng gagawa.
Bilis coming from the Rainbow territory. Game 2, 15-3 ang kanilang pinakawalan.
Whistle on the way to the hoop. They count the 2 para kay Ivan Johnson. Naman ng Rain or Shine ang bola.
We've seen it so many times for Talk and Text. So biglang mawawala yung bola dahil lalabas sa kanilang ring at sa atin. Another efficient ball game here for Wayne Chisholm. He's got a total of 29 points. But I believe really Talk and Text must distribute the ball. You have to make one step at a time and execute the offense. But you take a look at the assist department. 22 assists for Rain or Shine and only 7.
Ito sa Rain or Shine, pero 18 pa rin ang kanilang abano.
That's right. Kahit sabihin mo may 6:36 pa na natitira rito. Ivan Johnson is inside para sa easy doff na para buwaba sa 16 ang lamang. Because offline he knew. Tried to follow his shot. No go. Lead pass goes to Castro. Hinanap si Fonasher. Bukas mula sa tres. Siya naman ang pupukol ngayon. Canidel had 2.
Ronadel de Ocampo and 1 from Larry Fonasher. But the bigger thing for them is they're making the stops and they're running. But that was just a good timing in terms of calling a timeout for Coach.
On offense, trying to milk that clock. as much as they can. Ito si Chisholm, popostihan si Ranidel, labas kay Jericho Cruz. Nakatref na yan kanina. Tignan mo ba? Nang isa. Rebound taken by RDO. Carry slow to get up in the backcourt. Jason Castro atake sa loob. Kinaliwa ang layup. Pasok yan. Pointed out, which is significant, is that Paul Lee is back in the ball game despite the fact na nasiko siya ng kalakas-lakas, natanggal yung isang ngipin niya. And there was bleeding for his...
Ayon sa ating mga reports.
So Palpal sa taas, Bo Belga blocking his pal RDO. And Paul Lee subs it over to game with the next exclamation. Going through the motions. 3 mula kay Larry Fonacier is off target. Rebound taken by Ivan Johnson. He fakes the pass, spins around for the hoop. Nice move mula kay Ivan.
A total of 30 points.
Approaching the last 2 minutes mark of this third game of the championship series. Castro to the hoop, pinabayaan na lang.
Jason has a total of 20 points. But what is so obvious, every time he has that ball on the pick and roll, it is a trap. So they're not allowing Jason Castro to shoot from the 3. But if it is just a one-on-one coverage, he will allow Jason to penetrate.
Power.
Ating Philippine basketball.
Looking good, ha? Sana tumangkad siya na ng todo.
Meron yan, meron yan.
MJR nagparamdam. With only 24.7 minutes. The final score na lang inaantayin natin dito. Doesn't really matter. Walang quotient dito. Importante. Game ang makuha rito. Aangat ng 2-1. Ang rain or shine, leading practically wire to wire sa larong ito.
Hindi nakalamang ang token text.
Oh, wala. Tumabla lang kanina, di ba? Isang beses, 3-all. Tapos mula nun, Ross na ang lumamang, taking it all the way to game number 2 victory